Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit Bip 5 and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Basically how quickly the screen turns off after you stop using your device. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, press the side button again to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu and find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. In settings, find the option called display, and once you find it, tap on it, and here find the option called screen on duration, and after you find it, tap on it. And as you can see here, we have the list of durations. We have 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 20, 25 and 30. Select the one you like. For example, let's select 15 seconds. Tap on the check mark to confirm. Once it's selected, we can press the side button to go back to watch face. And as you saw, I selected 15 seconds, so my watch or the screen on my watch should turn off automatically after 15 seconds of an activity. So it should be right around now, yeah. And that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.